Okay, now we shall pass on to the second part of this problem number 22, balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31/12/2018. Liabilities, assets. Liabilities, assets. We shall see the assets now. The first one is balance carried down. You should look at the end of the year, what is the cash balance and the bank balance? We write it first. Cash in hand. Cash in hand 200. Cash at bank 400. Then any other asset. If we start from the top on the payment side, if you start from the top on the payment side, it is science equipment. Regarding the science equipment, there are two ideas given. One, science equipments purchased. Science equipments, it is a capital item. For this science equipment as on 1/1/2018, the beginning of the year, stock on 1/1/18. 1/1/18 is 5,000. This is given under additional information. And science equipment purchased and purchased. $10,000. It is given on the payment side, and on the receipt side you can see sale of science equipment. So the total equipment must be 15,000, but out of this 5,000 book valued science equipment was sold away. So less sold. 5,000 valued equipment was sold away for 6,000 with a profit of 1,000. That profit was entered in the income side of the income and expenditure account. Here, how much science equipment was sold away? The science equipment valued 5,000 was sold away. So 15,000 minus 5,000, 10,000. Okay, then go to the liability side. Life membership fees. Life membership fees. Life membership fees 5,000. Entrance fees is a revenue item, whereas life membership fees is a capital item. It should appear under liabilities side. Then what else we can write? We can go to the opening capital fund given under additional information. Capital fund, it is the fund available in the beginning. Capital fund, the amount is 6,400. 6,400. If there is any surplus, I told you in other problems also, if there is any surplus, add with the capital fund. If there is any deficit, less from the capital fund. Here there is a deficit, therefore less deficit. Deficit amount is 3,400. Less. So the remaining amount will be 3,000. Then the next item, any more item for liability? Yes. See, subscription includes 600 for the year 2019. If for the current year, if any subscription is outstanding, it is an asset. If there is any subscription related to the future year, then it is a liability. This subscription is related to the future year, therefore it should be written on the liability side. Subscription for 2019. Amount is 600. You are going to the additional information and attending one by one. Subscription 600, okay. Then science equipment 5,000 we have taken already. And the last one is surplus on account of exhibition should be kept in reserve. Should be kept in reserve. Therefore, reserve for new auditorium. Reserve for new auditorium. Reserve for new auditorium, give the heading, and under it, exhibition fund receipts. Fund receipts. Receipts 7,000. Less expenses. Exhibition expenses. Exhibition expenses 5,000. 7,000, this is 5,000. So the excess in it is 2,000. With this, we have attended all the items related to balance sheet. Now we can find the total on both the sides. 10,600 on the asset side and on the liability side 10,600. Both the totals are correct. So this is the answer for balance sheet. Once again I will repeat how we are preparing the balance sheet. The balance sheet should consist of only capital item. only the assets and the liabilities, not the revenue items. If you are very specific, leave all the revenue items and pick up the items which are not revenue items and write them here. The very first item given under payment side as balance carried down is cash in hand and cash at bank. This is. The very next item it is given there is science equipment. Science equipment is a capital item, no doubt. And regarding the science equipment, what are the data given there? Under additional information, if you go, the additional information, point number 3, science equipment as on 1/1/2018, 5,000. If you go to the payment side, the science equipment purchased for rupees 10,000, therefore the total science equipment value must be 15,000. But what happens? See the receipt side, 5,000 valued goods is, that is equipment is, sold away for 6,000. I said the capital item should not be written there in the income and expenditure account. If there is any profit, we will write on the income side. If there is any loss, we will write on the expenditure side. That's what I said. But the value of science equipment which was sold away must be minus from this total value of science equipment, because this amount that is this valued, that is 5,000 valued science equipment was sold away. So it cannot be there. Therefore, less sold 5,000. Therefore, the value of science equipment available at the end of the year is 10,000. Then, on the receipt side, life membership fees 5,000. Go to the additional information, the very first item, capital fund 6,400. With this, what I said, from the income and expenditure, we can find either surplus or deficit. If there is any surplus, we can add with the capital fund. If there is any deficit, we will less it. But in this problem, under income and expenditure account, there is a deficit. Therefore, I minus it, less deficit, we will write it. And go to the additional informations. Now, the additional information number 2, subscription include 600 for 2019 for the coming year, that is received in advance, subscription received in advance. So that must be shown under liability side, subscription received in advance. So 600 it is a liability. And the last item, the last additional information, that is point number 4. Surplus account of exhibition should be kept in reserve for new auditorium. Surplus. What? How much is surplus? For exhibition fund received, exhibition fund receipts 7,000. From that 7,000, 5,000 was sold away. How much is surplus? How much is excess? 2,000. That must be kept under reserve for new auditorium. It is the reserve is a liability, and therefore it is written on the liabilities side. I have written them now. We can find the total on both the sides equal. So what we have prepared as balance sheet is correct.